I'm looking for some puts under 355.88 cents. That's my entry. My stop loss is going to be the whole dollar, 456. Look at entry right here, a small size. Puts. Add it again right here. It's about the dip, currently holding 5 contracts. Puts. Nice. Alright, I sold. I'm out. Beautiful. Nice. Even though I could have held more, I just want to make sure I close the day green. I went from a red day to a green day. So, I'm grateful for closing the day green. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another opportunity. Peace.